how to earn or monetize Facebook page. Now to do that, I'll head over and click on this icon right here, which is your professional dashboard. Now from in there, you can see in here a lot of settings. So what you can do is you can just click right here on the monetization option. From in there, you can see in here if you're eligible to that. And if you're eligible, you should be able to get stores, ab, or had ads on Reels, have some bonuses as well as in-stream ads and also subscription. So as you can see, this is right here. You can earn money with your stars. Click on this I'm interested right here and then submit your interest. And then if you're eligible, you should be able to get your stars because whenever someone sends you stars, they will be equivalent to money. Now you can also have ads and reels, bonuses, and a lot more. So that's how you earn or monetize Facebook page. Hope we help.